Hello, this is Mr. Collier, and today we're doing a one-sample t-test on the HP Prime calculator. Okay, in front of us we have some data, and we want to test if this mean is equal to, or could come from a population with a population mean of 34.5. So we're going to check out how to do that on our calculator. Let's first type in the data into two-variable statistics. I'm going to clear this and type in the data very carefully. Okay, I've got the data typed in. Now I'm going to go to Apps, Inference. On our hypothesis test, there's two t-tests. One's a two-sample test, and one is a one-sample t-test. I'm going to select the one-sample t-test. And actually, I should have done the null hypothesis first. So our null hypothesis here is that the mean equals 34.5, okay? The population mean is 34.5. The null hypothesis, or the alternative hypothesis, in this case, we're just looking for a difference. We're not looking for greater than or less than. So it's a two-tailed test. Is the mean is not equal to 34.5. Okay. So let's now do the test. We're on the hypothesis test. We are selecting not equal to. This is mu naught. This is just a given population mean we're testing against. So I'm going to go to num. Oops. Let me go to num. And we can import the data from stats to variable. I'll click OK. And you need to change this one here to whatever the null hypothesis is. So 34.5. And our significance level is 0.05. Okay. So let's calculate that. And we get a p-value of 0.111. So p equals 0.161. Okay, which is greater than the significance level. Therefore, so remember when p is low, we reject HO. So we have insufficient evidence to reject HO. So that means the data could come from a population with a mean of 34.5. Okay. We can also get a confidence interval, so let me show you how to do that on the calculator. You just go back to apps, go to inference and confidence, the same setting as before, the one sample t-test. And now you go to num, and you can set up a 95% confidence interval or a 99% confidence interval, or whatever you want really, but 90, 95, 99 are pretty common. So let's do let's do 0.95. That's a pretty common one. So when I click OK here, I think I messed it up. Hang on. Just 1 second. Okay. Now if I click OK, nope. Just click. Let me just click out of this. Sorry. I'll click Calc right now. And we get these numbers here. So that means that we're 95% sure that the mean is between these two values. Okay. And of course 34.5 is in that range, and so we are 95% sure that the mean is in this range. This is called a 95% confidence interval.